Right now we are in Meghalaya. This is one of the 7th largest waterfalls.
The flow of the water is so high that you can't hear yourself.
Follow. Don't leave. Shit. We need to hurry up. Bro. मेरे को घर जाना है. अबे ये दीवार है. This is torture. What is up, beautiful people? Today we are back with another vlog. Right now we are in Meghalaya. As you know, this is the wettest land on the planet Earth. The highest rainfall, the average of 11,800. I'll see in Wikipedia and put it over there.
What does it mean to come out of a jungle?
I thought it would look cool, bro, like coming from the forest.
इधर से भी कर सकता था.
I don't know how wet is this land. What wet? It's called as the wetland. You know, wetland. So we sat in the car on a mission to find Kindram Falls. So the journey has begun.
Begun.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Welcome back to the Meghalayan Diaries,
Diarrhea.
which Shafak had from last 2 days.
Still have it, man.
You still have it?
Somewhere.
Somewhere in the corner.
Abhi, 300. Drive a little fast, no? But too
Fast?
slow. Tell him to slow down, bro. He's going fast.
That's what she said.
So after landing safely to the ground, we finally reached to the hidden gem of Meghalaya called the Garden of Caves. But unfortunately,
We asked Bats to take us to some hidden gem, but she ends up taking us to the public spot. Wow!
Because होता ना कभी कभार जो सोचते हो वो नहीं होता.
So you're trying to-
tomorrow? No, this place is also pretty.
We cannot go that side.
You have to go from here, just like around.
Oh! Entering the cave doesn't look like a cave, but yeah. This cave also it looks like very spooky. Oh shit! See. I hate bats for this. This cave is not safe. We need to go, bro. Don't risk. Follow. Don't leave. What's that thing, bro? This was the guy who was making weird sounds in the cave.
इस जगह से चले जाओ.
I think he's possessed. It's better to stay away from that raccoon. Shit!
Anjali! Sushmita! Arjun!
नहीं लास्ट में ये अर्जुन बोला तो मेरे को अब डर लग रहा है इधर तैरने के लिए.
समझ आएगा. इसमें बुलाओ मत एक साथ.
We need to. Oh my God! There's a lot of points, bro.
पैसे ले आओ.
मेरे को पैसा चाहिए. Let's try. Bismillah. That's refreshing, bro. Straight out of the rock.
मैं नागुडचे डायरेक्ट. आपण ज़्यादा फॉर्मॅलिटीज नहीं करता.
अपन दुबई से आए हैं तो डैम.
व्यूज के लिए कुछ भी.
Okay, tell me why are you pissed?
I am not pissed. I have been telling this guy that I am not pissed.
We are annoying the shit out of her. The moment camera gets on, she goes like, "Oh yeah, hi guys, I'm all good." The moment camera goes off, what are you doing near the heart, bro? Oh, there are a lot of coins. Let's go! The boy got the dirhams. Come on, what's your wish?
शादी करा दे.
Boy wants to get married soon. Please pray for him to get married as soon as possible before he loses his hair. And that's Umlawai Falls.
This place was so beautiful that we forgot to take a drone shot. Anyways, you might be wondering how did this place got the name Umlawai Falls. So let me explain it to you.
There used to be a lot of bees over here. For that reason, the waterfalls is also called as Umlawai Falls. So means honey. So lawais are like bees. It's a dangerous bees. So the falls is named after them. So that's how this waterfalls got the name through bees. I hope we don't get bitten by any bees. Shit. There's bee over you, bro. There's a lot of bees next to you, Shafaq.
Bro, you're dead.
दोबारा इसको लेके मत आ
Thanks for the jump. We'll add fart sound effect.
Just enjoying the view, bro. And that's view, bro.
That's life. That's life.
One, I told uncle material. He just ran from there.
Bro,
Film.
I had to fight him.
Film.
I had to lift
So,
him.
whoever is marrying Shafaq, you know.
It's like 2 minutes. 2 seconds. And he wished for me. And he wished for me.
Just joking. See the position.
quick get in the car
So right now we are in Kendra Waterfalls. This is one of the 7th largest waterfall in world or India.
India
In India, and this is Kevin. Bro, I'm not gonna exaggerate anything. This is mad. It is aching. My energy is dead, bro. I was screaming like mad. The wind, the rain. Oh, I have never ever in my life seen something like this. There is rainfall happening every second. There's no doubt why this place is like the wettest land on the planet Earth.
The moment you realize everything is over, it's just the beginning. There's a lot of shit coming up in our next video, so stay tuned.
It's raining heavily right now. We cannot vlog. I'm sorry for this shit.
Unfortunately, Shafaq could not make it happen due to heavy rain,
Go with anyone, but not with you.
They're going ahead. Shafaq is leaving us.
and we still had to trek to see this amazing view.
It's raining. And we are not stopping. Super Allah, 12 bucks.